Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So friends, please watch the video till the end for better understanding, and let's get back to the video. This is assignment 4 of developing soft skills and personality course, and coming to first question, communication skills include. There are 3 answers. First one, and that is writing, and fourth one speaking, and last one is listening. And second question, first option and fifth option. Friends, these are probable answers only. If you find anyone incorrect, you can choose your own answer. So coming to third question, third option and fourth option. And fourth question, there are 3 answers again. First one, third one, and fifth one. And fifth question, second option, fifth along with sixth options. And sixth question, third option along with fifth option. And coming to seventh question, there are 3 answers again. In fact, maybe 3 answers. They are second option, fourth option, and sixth option. And coming to eighth question, third option, second, and fifth option. And ninth question, Q, 4, and sixth options. 10th question, first and second option. So friends, until this we have completed multiple answers. Let's coming to 11th question. From here onwards they are single option only, and this option is last option, to keep the mind open. And 12th question, the answer is fifth option. And 13th question, the answer is first option. And 14th question, the answer is third option. And coming to 15th question, it is first option. 16th, the answer is last option, that is speak. And 17th question, it is fourth option. 18th question, the answer is fifth option. 19th one, the answer is fourth answer, that is professionally and proactively. And coming to the final question of these single answer questions. So 20th question answer is option 1. Thank you for understanding. And 21st question, here onwards the 5 questions 21 to 25, actually they are true or false. So let's get into these also. First one is false. And 22nd question, the answer is true. And 23rd question, the answer is false. And last but one question, that is 24th, inadequate language base is a barrier to active listening. This is true. And coming to the final question answer, that is smiling while engaging in a telephone conversation would not reflect in your voice. This is false, because when we smile it automatically reflects in our voice sensitively, so it is false. So friends, these are my probable answers, and you decided finally whether to choose or not for each question, and I am going to submit answers. So friends, if you find this video helpful, subscribe my channel, like the video, and share to your friends. Until then, be safe, be happy, stay strong, and bye. Thank you.